that's a big one. That's a big one. Stay in there, Hook. Well, welcome to Mental Health Day. So, yesterday, my brother texted me, he's like, you wanna go fishing tomorrow? If you're gonna ask me that, you're gonna know the answer is, yep. If I'm not working, you ask me to go fishing, we're going fishing. We're out here today on his boat, his 21-foot Carolina skiff, targeting snakehead. And I'd say it's been a pretty good day. Let's rewind to the beginning of the day, and let's go fishing. We'll throw this map spinner, see if anything is in here. Like even this thing, it looks like a little bait, but in the water it gets big because that thing spins. Like it looks, look how big it gets. It looks bigger. Fish on. Bass. On the map spinner. Oh, looks like a decent one. He's not little. Well, we've been here 30 seconds. All right, don't you jump. All right, there we go. Little Meps. Probably a little 14-incher. Thanks, buddy. That was fun. See ya. Oh, look right there. That was a big snakehead, dude.
Holy shit.
I don't think they're gonna eat it. They're just like hanging out like that.
I can't believe how many are over here, though.
They gotta be feeding, though, is the problem.
Yeah.
If they're not feeding, they're not gonna eat.
Yeah, I've never found them anywhere.
Oh my God. That was a snakehead. We missed it completely.
Still, color game with me
still in there? Still in there? Sure, I can see the boat now. Oh, there he goes. He was still in there. I want a little fish. Oh, I see one moving. One just came right out of here. Oh, fuck. I'm sorry, bro. I missed him. You alright?
Yeah.
Daggone it. That was definitely a snakehead. I saw him moving. I saw him come off the shore and I cast it out in front of him. I didn't think he was going to take it, but he did. Oh.
There you go.
Did I get a hook on you? Are you hooked? Not a monster, but it's a snakehead. Did you eat that hook, little buddy? Thanks, little buddy.
Little fella. Oh,
Hook's out.
Spit it out already. There you go.
Alright, hold on. Lift it up. Alright, cool. Changed it up to pink and I got 3 short strikes and 1 fish. That's a little guy. Should we even keep it, little guy? He's smaller than I even thought he was. I'm gonna let him go. Get bigger, little buddy. I usually play for keeps. I might later. See ya. Thank you. Oh, that wind is messing me up. You don't feel it down here, but when you throw it up in the air, you get trapped in it. Oh, that might be a bigger fish. Nah, he's not massive. A little guy. Appreciate it, little buddy.
Boat flip that?
Yeah, that's fine.
No matter.
Well, sometimes you get them in the net, they mess up that hook.
Pink?
No. See if I can just grab you. Nope, you're pretty slippery. You're a slippery little guy. Oh. Shh. Quiet, little buddy. Quiet. Quiet.
Bird here.
Quiet. Here, you get bigger. The heck was that? Look at that yellow perch.
Huh? Oh shit.
Oh, sorry, buddy. Oh, you did that yourself. Hey. Nice yellow perch. See you, buddy.
There you go.
Whoa! Did you see that thing jump all the way out of the water?
Yes, I did.
That was a big fish. Why didn't I stick him, man? Felt like I had a good hook set. That was cool. Hook didn't even come out of its body. Oh, did he eat it? He missed it. He completely missed it. That looked like a big fish. I was waiting to feel the tension on the line, but it never came. Oh, he's right behind it, Max. Look at him. You see him?
Yep. That's so cool.
He followed it. Whew. Heart's freaking racing. I've never seen one follow like that. It was cool to see. Oh, oh, you bitch! I've waited forever to set that hook too. Oh no, I messed up my thing. There you go. Come on. Gotta be something lurking around in there. Bass. I was gonna say, oh, there had to have been something in there. Yeah, they like it under there, don't they? Oh, the rods were getting hung up in the trees. Oh. Yay, you finally knocked this one. You knocked the skunk off. That's a fat sausage.
He is a little fat one. Little pepperoni.
Yeah.
Looks like a sunfish.
Well, they are the same.
Pretty much, but that's
family.
my little guy. There you go.
Why did you spook a snake? Yep. Come on, eat that.
Oh, that's a fish. There we go. Baby.
Big snake?
I think so. Worth keeping. If I can get it in the net. Come on, baby. There we go.
A nice one.
Yeah, buddy.
Okay, 24.
I'll take her. Bam! Redemption. Thanks for the pinky.
Yeah, after I was starting to catch fish on the pink swim bait, had to give Max one. He's got his first hit with it. Oh no, he got the two bass hit. And he just got a nice snake. That one's worth keeping.
That was going in the box.
There you go, buddy.
Yes. There we go. Nice healthy one. Yummy.
You smile. Oh shit. Oh, heads up. Daggone it. Oh, that's a big one.
Oh,
that's a big one.
I'm glad I hooked into that, not my face.
Stay in there, Hook. Just keep the net out of the water. Let him come up. He's still green. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's a better fish. Bye-bye. Very nice.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, perfect hook set. Finally, right in the roof of his mouth. He came up right next to the boat. I saw him suck it.
Nice.
Yeah, there we go. Look at him crunch down.
27?
No, he's probably 25.
26.
We can measure him. 25. Called it. For once I was right. 25. I will keep that one. You're not going to be as lucky as your little friends. Sorry, buddy. And thank you. Cracking tops, son? Ah. Oh. That's a big one. He just wasted all his energy. Yeah, it is a big one. He's not a monster. Get off of there, twig. He wasted all his energy on his jump.
Oh, he feels heavy.
Hey, buddy. Hook's out. Hold on. Let me get the hook out of there. I'm gonna say this one's 26. 25 and a half.
That's it?
Yeah, they get much bigger.
Glasses make them look.
A little fatter than the first one. Well, the last one I caught. That was fun though. You're coming home for the hot oil bath, buddy. Maybe the grill. We have options. I like the way this looks. Oh, something moving out right in there. Yep. That's a big Max. I think. No, he's not a big one. He's not a tiny one, but there's fish here.
Got one.
You want to keep that one?
Yeah, sure.
See, Max, you don't need pink. I feel like the chartreuse works better when it's cloudy. I'm gonna give this fish to Max so you can have two.
Thanks, man.
I can't eat all of them. Bass. Big bass.
Yeah, the freaking prop.
He's running all over the place. You need a net or you're just gonna flip him?
Whee!
Nice.
Whoa, come here. That might be my last one. I'll take what I can get.
Saw something move. Is there enough wind? Nope. Oh, he's moving around over there. He was like out here. Oh, see him? He just moved. Oh, he's got it. I think it's a bass. There's a bass over there terrorizing. Yeah.
Got one.
We saw him over there feeding on stuff. What are you doing, buddy?
In like 6 inches of water.
What are you doing, little buddy? I saw you over there terrorizing them bait fish and the minnows. Finally got you to eat my stuff. It's not even that big. Get here, Snowflake. And that's all she wrote. We got 4 nice snakehead in the box. I think together we landed 6. I definitely lost a bunch, but what are you gonna do? There's plenty more things that can go wrong than right when you got one hook and a fish that just ate your line. I had a good time today. Hope you guys did too. If you take anything out of this, if you ask me to go fishing, the answer is gonna be yes. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, God bless.